Hey guys, I'm Carrie. Happy New Year. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to make a series of videos walking you through a whole TOEFL reading passage. I will show you how to answer different types of questions and review some tips and strategies for TOEFL reading. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos about TOEFL and English learning. Let's get started. When you get the reading, check the title first to get the general idea of the reading. Like this one, aquatic schools. If you know aquatic or aquarium, you know aquatic is related to water. But it's fine if you don't know this word. Then go directly to question 1. The author mentions the most highly disciplined military unit on parade. In paragraph 1, in order to... If you see keywords like in order to, this is a purpose question asking why. Question 13 is also a purpose question, so I won't explain it again. Remember, if you see a purpose question, no need to check the answer choices first. Find the highlighted phrase in the passage and check words before and after it. Don't read word by word, skim through it and get the keywords. Like this, fish travel in schools, move tight formations, precision disciplined military unit. Some move in synchronized horde. Okay, stop here. You kind of have a basic idea. Military is about formation. Then go back to the answers. A. Describe the aggressive nature. No, here military is not about aggressive, so A is wrong. B. Provide example military units travel. No, it's not an example. It's a metaphor to describe that fish in schools like military units. So B is wrong. C. Create mental image movement, a school of fish. Yes, like I said before, it's a metaphor for movement of fish schools. It's easy for you to understand if you think about military unit on parade. So C is correct. Although I figured out the correct answer, I will still check out answer D. Contrast movement military unit. Oh, it must be wrong. Then go to the next question, the word hordes. You don't need to complete the whole question. You will know that this is a vocabulary question. It's like question 8, 11, and 15. Check out those questions by yourself later. If you already know the word, go check the answer choices. If you don't, go back to the passage and find the highlighted word. Some move synchronized hordes, while others move starkly geometric forms. This may take the shape of wedge. Then replace the highlighted word with answer choices one by one. A. Some move in synchronized shapes. The next sentence is about shape, and the sentence is about form. So A is wrong. B. Some move in synchronized masses. Mass is one kind of form, and it's opposite to geometric form. While is a transition word to show the opposite, so B is correct. But we will keep checking other choices just in case we may be wrong. C. Some move in synchronized pairs. Pair usually means two, while some are more than two. So C is wrong. D. Some move in synchronized patterns. Pattern is a synonym of shape, so D is wrong. If you know A and D are synonyms, then C pair means only two. You can choose B in a minute. If you are not sure, make an educated guess. Remember to finish one question within 1.5 minutes. Don't hesitate. Then go to the next question. You could keep working on these questions. I will soon be making the next video in the series. Stay tuned. Please share and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you for watching. See ya!